Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have in bracket t minus 1 all raised to power 6 is equal to t raised to power 6, and here we have to solve for the value of t. So t is the unknown, we have to solve for. Now to solve this, solution. So we have in bracket t minus 1 all raised to power 6 is equal to t raised to power 6. So what we are going to do is that we will move t minus 1 all raised to power 6 over to this side of the equation, such that here becomes 0 is equal to, here we have t raised to power 6, then minus in bracket t minus 1 all raised to power 6. So therefore, we are arranging this. What we have is t raised to power 6 minus in bracket t minus 1 all raised to power 6 is equal to 0. So from here, this can be expressed as t raised to power 6 can be written as 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6, then minus in bracket t minus 1 power 6 can also be expressed as 3 times 2, which give us 6, all is equal to 0. From here, we can express this as in bracket t raised to power 3 all raised to power 2, then minus in bracket t minus 1 all raised to power 3, then all raised to power 2 is equal to 0. At this junction, what we have is difference of two squares. So if you have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to, in bracket, a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Okay, so in this case right here, the value of a is equal to t raised to power 3. The value of b is equal to, in bracket, t minus 1 all raised to power 3. So expanding this, what we then have is, in bracket, a is t raised to power 3, then minus b is t minus 1 all raised to power 3, then multiplied by a is t raised to power 3 plus b is this, in bracket, t minus 1 all raised to power 3. So all of this is equal to 0. From here, we can equate this to 0 or equate this to 0. For the first one, we have t raised to power 3 minus, in bracket, t minus 1 all raised to power 3 is equal to 0. Or the second one, we have t raised to power 3 plus, in bracket, t minus 1 all raised to power 3 is equal to 0. Such that from here, solving this equation first, now looking at this, we have difference of 2 cubed. So if you have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, this is equal to, in bracket, a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. And in this case, the value of a is equal to t, while the value of b is equal to t minus 1. So we have t minus 1 for the value of b. From here, expanding this then becomes, in bracket, a is t minus b is t minus 1. So in bracket, t minus 1. Then this is multiplied by a squared. A is t, so t squared plus a is t. Then multiplied by b is t minus 1. Then plus b. So b is this, so t minus 1 all squared. Okay, and all of this equals 0. This is equal to 0. From here, we have, in bracket, t, then minus, we open the bracket, minus times t is minus t, minus times minus 1 is plus 1. So then multiplied by, we have t squared plus t times t squared, t times minus 1 minus t, then plus, so this t minus 1 all raised to power 2 is simply equal to, we have t squared minus 2t plus 1. So once you expand this, you will get t squared minus 2t plus 1. From here, all of this is equal to 0. With this, we have, in bracket, t, we cancel minus t, we are left with 1. So multiplied by t squared plus t squared plus t squared, the value is 3t squared. And also, we have minus t, then minus 2t. Minus t minus 2t, the value is minus 3t. Then we have plus 1. So plus 1. All of this is equal to 0. From here, 1, we multiply this. We have 3t squared minus 3t plus 1 is equal to 0, such that we now have a quadratic equation. To then solve for the value of t in this equation, we are going to make use of the quadratic formula, and the formula is given by, with respect to t, t is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And in this case, the value of a is equal to the coefficient of t squared, which is 3. The value of b is the coefficient of t, which is minus 3. The value of c is equal to the constant, which is plus 1. So from here, what we have as the value of t, so t is then equal to, inputting these values into the formula, so minus b is minus 3, in bracket minus 3, plus or minus, from here, we have square root b squared. B is minus 3, so minus 3, 3 all squared, then minus 4 times a is 3 times c is 1 all over 2 times a is 3. So t is then equal to minus times minus 3 is plus 3, plus or minus square root of minus 3 squared is 9, then minus 4 times 3 minus 12 times 1 minus 12 all over 2 times 3 is 6. So with this, the value of t is then equal to, we have 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 12, the value is minus 3, then over 6. Such that with this, we have gotten the value of t1, which equals 3 plus root minus 3 over 6, and the value of t2 is equal to 3 minus root minus 3 all over 6. So we've gotten the value of t from the first equation. Now from this other equation, so we've solved for the value of t from this first equation. So it remains this other equation. Let us solve for the value of t. So right here, we have t raised to power 3 plus, in bracket, t minus 1 all raised to power 3 is equal to 0. So looking at this, what we have is simply the sum of 2 cubes. If you have a raised to power 3 plus b raised to power 3, this equals, in bracket, a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. So expanding this, the value of a is equal to t, the value of b is equal to t minus 1. So from here, we have, in brackets, a is t, so t plus b is t minus 1, t minus 1, then multiplied by a squared, that will become t squared minus a is t minus a is t, so t multiplied by b is t minus 1, t minus 1, then plus b is t minus 1, so t minus 1 all squared, t minus 1 all squared. All of this is equal to 0. From here, we have, in bracket, t plus times t is plus t, plus times minus 1 is minus 1, then multiplied by t squared minus t times t minus t squared minus t times minus 1 is plus t, then plus the value of this is simply t squared minus 2t plus 1. So all is equal to 0. From here, we have, in bracket, t plus t, 2t minus 1 multiplied by t squared minus t squared will cancel each other. What we have is t squared, so in bracket t squared, then plus t minus 2t, the value is minus t, then we have plus 1, all is equal to 0. At this junction, we can say 2t minus 1 equals 0, or we have this t squared minus t plus 1 equals 0. From this equation right here, that we have 2t minus 1 equals to 0. Move minus 1 over to this side. 2t is then equal to 1. To then solve for t, divide both sides by 2 over 2. 2 divided 2, the value of t is equal to 1 over 2. So with this, we've gotten the third solution for the value of t. The next one, from this other equation, we've solved this one. The next equation, which is t squared minus t plus 1 equals 0. So right here, we have t squared minus t plus 1 equals 0. So here we have a quadratic equation. To solve for the value of t, make use of the quadratic formula. So with respect to t, t is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So this is the quadratic formula. And by the way, the value of a in this equation is 1, the coefficient of t squared. The value of b is the coefficient of t, which is minus 1, so minus 1. And the value of c is equal to the constant, which is plus 1. With this, inputting the values of a, b, c into the formula, what we have as the solution for t is equal to minus b is minus 1, then plus or minus square root b squared, that will become minus 1 all squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 1 all over 2 times a is 1. So from here, the value of t is equal to minus times minus 1 is plus 1, plus or minus square root, minus 1 squared is 1, then minus 4 times 1, minus 4 times 1, minus 4, all over 2 times 1 is 2. With this, the value of t is equal to 1 plus or minus root 1 minus 4 is minus 3 all over 2. So at this junction, the value of t4 is equal to 1 plus root minus 3, okay, minus 3 over 2. And the value of t5 is equal to 1 minus root minus 3 all over 2. With this, we've gotten the fourth solution and the fifth solution for the value of t. So we've seen the various solutions for the value of t. This t4, this t5. This is the value of t3 is right here, while the value of t1 and t2 is right here. So with this, we've gotten the solutions for the value of t. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.